Welcome back. Most people have a question in their mind. Whether someone can hack my phone? The simple answer is yes, and there are many ways to indicate that your phone has been hacked. In this video, I'll show you how to protect yourself against mobile hacking. Excited? Then stick till the end. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe for more tech updates. Let's begin. Here's how to tell if your phone has been hacked. One of the most common phone hack signs is a drop in performance. If websites are taking too long to load, or if your apps are suddenly crashing when you use them, malware may be hogging your phone's bandwidth or processing power. Does your phone ever feel hot, even when you haven't been actively using it? Phones can heat up during prolonged periods of intensive use, like while streaming a movie or gaming for hours. But if it's not you that's causing your phone to heat up, it may be someone else. If your phone's battery is draining faster than usual, check if you have a lot of apps open in the background. And you can save battery power by restricting background app data. But if everything is normal, shorter battery life may be a sign that your phone has been hacked. While it isn't uncommon to occasionally experience a dropped call or a bad connection, if service disruptions have become increasingly regular, it may be time to ask, is my phone hacked? If you're seeing a lot more pop-up ads than usual, your phone may be infected with adware, a type of malicious software that inundates you with ads. Never tap any suspicious ads or links. Sometimes, Google will change the look of their homepage for a special day, but if you're noticing that many sites look different than they usually do, it could signify a hacked iPhone or Android. One of the signs a phone hacker has accessed your phone may be the presence of apps you don't recognize. If you see an unfamiliar app, look it up online, and you may need to remove malware from your phone. If your apps are frequently quitting, or your phone is regularly freezing up, it may be because your cell phone was hacked, and malware is using up your phone's resources. Poor performance could also signal that you need to update your phone's software, which is essential for phone security. While many hacked text messages require you to click on a suspicious link, and if someone tells you that you've called or texted them when you haven't, it's likely your phone has been hacked. Inform friends and family if you receive strange messages or calls coming from them. If you're noticing unexplained spikes in your data usage, you may not be the only one using your data. A hacked iPhone or Android device can use your data to transmit information collected from your phone. If someone is using your phone remotely, they could be calling people or using premium services. Mysterious charges should be investigated to rule out malware. Here are some of the common techniques hackers use to hack phones. Phishing involves using social engineering tactics to fool you into disclosing personal information. A phishing attack can be simple, like an email with a link that says free and directs you to a malicious site. Many of today's most famous hackers use phishing attacks in their campaigns. Phishing can also be highly targeted, focused on tricking one specific high-level employee into revealing too much information. Focused attacks against senior leadership figures are known as whaling. One sneaky way to infect a phone with malware is to convince someone to download an app with hidden spy features. This app may be disguised as a game, an app for productivity, or even one promising security, when it's actually a spyware app tracking your online activities and personal data. Some Android spyware can even spy when your phone isn't on. Many two-factor authentication (2FA) procedures confirm your login with a text message sent to your phone. With SIM swapping, hackers try to convince your service provider that your phone number actually needs to be swapped over to a different SIM card. That way, they'll receive your authentication messages. SIM swapping scams usually start with phishing attempts, designed to give the hacker enough information to impersonate you to the service provider. It may make it easier to play music through a speaker, but a wireless Bluetooth connection makes your phone more vulnerable to cybercrime. Hackers can use software to intercept a Bluetooth signal and gain access to your phone. Don't pair your phone with a device you don't trust. Similar to Bluetooth, Wi-Fi can also be used by hackers to gain access to your phone. In particular, using public Wi-Fi networks can leave your phone vulnerable to attack, as they may have been set up by a malicious actor, waiting for you to connect. It's also important to change the default password to your home Wi-Fi network to prevent hackers from hacking into your router. How to protect your phone from hacking? Even if you're always careful, hackers are constantly building new hacking tools to get into your devices. If you're an iPhone user, AWG Mobile Security for iPhone/iPad will keep you safe by automatically checking that your Wi-Fi network is secure, as well as monitoring online databases to ensure none of your passwords have been stolen. AWG also offers powerful protection for Android devices. AWG Antivirus for Android protects your phone from malware, unsolicited calls, and other malicious behaviors. It also gives you additional anti-hacking protection by locking apps with sensitive information. Was this video useful? If yes, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.